Jo Acholi, man Chaka'Ki Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi, Jackline Ikang Got man segment number 51, reading on Kapaa. I was going to read right away earlier, but I couldn't. I think I want to put all on making a lot of noise. I better get one look Pajok Lacuc, Pajok Lacuc. I think most of Kwan come look me Pajok Lacuc or Dong Kapaa Ge Patanga. Okay, so I'm going to Patanga from Chan. It's very short. It's just 2 large paragraphs. I don't Monday, Diggy will agree the word, a corner on Patanga, which is Subclan, me Pajok, and that's where I'm from, or where my father's from. Okay, so I just want to jump right into it. Before I think Pajok, find time to get things done. Okay, Apwoyo. If you're from Kapaa, please leave a comment under this video. If you would like to be a guest, please also send us a message. You can send us a private message or a DM. You can also leave a comment under this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Leb Acholi. You can also follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page, which is Leb Acholi. I am also on Facebook as Chaka'Ki Ikang, South Sudan. Please engage with the platform. Share with your friends. Share with your community. This is a learning platform. I would like to learn from you all. This is the first time I will be reading or learning anything about Kapaa, despite my son being from Kapaa and his father being from Kapaa. I'm here to talk about Kapaa, so if you're from Kapaa and you would like to be a guest, please send us a message. Or you can leave a comment if you want to clarify anything I'm reading today. Okay, I'm just going to jump right into it. It's going to be very brief. Okay. If you're from Kapaa, please follow along, please share, and to all of our guests and audience, please engage with the platform, share, like, comment, okay? So like you're joining on look me Kapaa, jokan Kapaa in brackets joining on Lawi or Dun. That's another name for Kapaa, Lawi or Dun. Okay, like you're joining on Kapaa tie gi dok ot matino ario. Mana ye Kapaa gi Pai-bworo. Or Pai-bworo. Okay. Regarding Kapaa, la jojo joining on it. Tekwaro mi Acholi wajani dano mi dok ot Kapaa obino gi Imurok. Gin obino onongo Jo Pai-bworo. Gidana mi Pajok mokene dong tie e Got Tul. Wan pe wangio mabe lokango ma weho dana mi Kapaa o a wako gi Imurok. Mi ario lo diro mi Pajok bene pengeo nying la did mau ke lo dana man e Pajok. Mi adek te kwara mi Pajok bene pelo pi moha majo Kapaa obino kwede e Got Tul. Nongo lok ma kidman obero tek bora pien pe anongo la dit mi Kapaa ma twer waje bora lok mi dok ot Kapaa. Okay. Andong atamoni is second edition, your church mi ario mi bookman guok nyo abi nongo dano mi I think para kona kati busy mi bookman guok nyo abi nongo dano matwero wajabora lo papol madokikom dok ot mi ba okay lo diro mi pajok mo kene ma abiro kalo kwedgi gino wajabora ni ikar machon dano mi Kapaa gi Pai-bworo onongo gin nyome ikindi chila chin lo diro ka okwer lok mi nyom ikin lo tino anyira gi lo tino awobe mi dok ot aria man pien kari gin obino gi e kabedo ma parapat gin podi lunge ni omero gi limero mana ye gin ma owero tin dano mi Kapaa gi Pai-bworo pe nyome ikindi okay now regarding Pai-bworo nyo Pai-bworo okay duan wacho ni jo Pai-bworo obino gi Anywak gino pohe gi kom luo mo kena ikin moha apar biro gi pier boro we a beach we mia apar boro Ruod Bong-nyero aye okelo jo Pai-bworo I Got Tul kama gino nongo ye dano mi Ywaya ikin moha apar boro ki pier bongwen we a dig okay he's not so sure kanya kin mi Kapaa please drop clarification king information any Duan wajani jo Pai-bworo aye mau chaho bino I Pajok gi bodano mi dok ot Kapaa kachiel gi bodano mi Ywaya man bene gin ma owero dano wacho ni Kapaa nyo Kapaa Pai-bworo gitie wiri ngom wala wiri Pajok lo diro mi Pajok chalo adinya gi ben oywak o wajo borani imwaha apar boro gi pier bongwen we adek ma Ywaya tie kabino I Got Tul gino nongo oworo gi jomi ke megi ikar maluak mi Ywaya ok I Got Tul jo Pai-bworo ma nongo dong tie kuno gino bedo gi luoro pien gino tamani Ywaya digi dio gin ni miero gin ibet ite loch parwod Ywaya okay jo Pai-bworo onongo bene tie gi jomi ke megi piman gin miro bedo ite loch parwod megi ento pe ite loch parwod mokene jo Kapaa onongo bene pe miro neno ruod mokene mapat gi ruod tugi jo Pai-bworo gitamo ni ruod Ywaya guok nyo obino gi chwiny mi nego ruod Bong-nyero wek en imake piman gino kano ruod Bong-nyero wako idi boro okay ada karma Ywaya donyo ikindano mi Kapaa gin openyo luak mi Pai-bworo ni ruod meu kono tie kwene okay gitie ginyo ruod mi Kapaa no wamiro ruod meu owiny wala winye gi ruod mewa kirma wabino bot wu dok welo gigu mara jo Pai-bworo peu nyang pingo jo Ywaya pengo pigin makidman jo Pai-bworo dong ogamata bot gini wapire gi ruod Ywaya mawunyo lagaman chungi odoko yom minongo dano mapire gi ruod chut Ywaya odwoko bot gini kin ma ruod meu dong pire wan pe watwero bedo kin ma ruod meu dong pire wan pe watwero bedo ite lot meu kari bed wun aye wiri Pajok One dong, one miro ne woon dong a ye mau miero, u berite lodge parwood Ywaya, pien, what yegi road, wagi jummy ke. Okay? Kadongone. Jo Ywaya o timo kid man pien, gin miro ni dano duju mi pajok miro o berite lodge a chien parwood Ywaya. Okay? So it seems like information and knock and one year come Kapaa paragraph ario again. So longeoning on it. Jo Kapaa gibino gi Imurok tuma chiel, okay? Ka tu mon mi Pai-bworo gibino gi Anywak, okay? Yala gibino under nga Bong-nyero. Bong-nyero chief to Bong-nyero kelo gen gi Imurok, I believe. Jo mon bino gi Imurok e. Munu dul mi nga Kapaa. Kapaa tie do subgroup mi Kapaa. Gibino gi Imurok. Okay. Which is a ball, I believe. Go. Wele. Yala, ka group mo Pai-bworo gibino gi Anywak. Go. Gibino gi luo mo ne. Bong-nyero mo kelo gen gi Anywak. As you know, Ywaya made a ruling down when Johnny Dogi Bala Wagi wanted road to be so road Ywaya made a force can me better tell like that. Okay. And one year ni Kapaa bori comment very under this video. You keep me a bit of guess. Send me a message or leave a message under this video so you can tell us more about Kapaa, PN information, anything limited. Okay, so la chojo choning on lokom team gi got me Kapaa. La chojo choning on Jo Kapaa kari bed gin wiri pajo. Te kwar pa chuli wajane gin peregi team got new job. So gi pegi gimo. If you're from Kapaa, let us know who pegi team, who pegi jock, and who pegi ngone got to. Why? Wutiro wiri ngom who bino before you are ginga gine. Uti Got Tul. I can let you pegi got get team new job. Is this true? Please leave comment peri will comment too kanye. Who tamone information in it here correct? Had it here wrong? I'm from you guys. Want me to ponya about Kapaa? Want me to ponya about Dana when me Acholi? Group when me Acholi. Kamage bino gi pingogi bino gi ngamo kelogin. Gisaro kan. Gitigi team, gitigi got, gitigi jock. Will otter ginite lodge pa jomo kene. Okay? Ana po ma tek and when dong ero lokom Kapaa ma check danga. Kon Monday go tieno kumuno ni I'm gonna be live streaming again. Akwana lopa Patanga, where I'm from. Patanga, yeah. Cousin Farah been waiting for me to read about Patanga. Maybe he can join me eventually so we can talk about Patanga. We already spoke about Patanga with my dad, but I think maybe taking perspective for Jomoko Benebe. Okay. Pua matek, unka utia neno one kanye, wiyamo. Please engage with the platform. We'll share, we'll like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, Leb Acholi. You can also subscribe to our Facebook page, Leb Acholi, okay? Where you can have a private conversation with not only myself, but also other members of the community too. We'll learn, okay? Apo amatek. Join me again Monday to discuss Patanga. Okay, I'm Jackline Ikang of Kwan, Leb Acholi, segment with Kwan Leb Acholi, session number 51, reading on Pajok Lacuc. Pajok Lacuc. My sister says Pajok Lacuc, not Pajok Lacuc, but Pajok Lacuc. And this has been reading on Kapaa, and the very last subgroup will be Patanga tonight. Okay. And then maybe tomorrow night I will start reading on either Palua or Panikwara or Male. There's so much different directions that I can take that I'll see. Okay, Apwoyo, you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching and engaging. Please share this on your platform. Apwoyo.